Well, I almost made the video by Saturday night. It is 10 minutes after midnight, I think, something like that. So, hope you're having a happy day. Hope you had a happy day. Anyways, I'm doing some of the homework solving for you. So, the first problem. If you have a log on both sides, I want to get a log equal a log. Then the insides have to be equal, So I'd have log of a of x, can't do anything with that. But when you have a number out front of the log, that means raise the inside to that power. So this would be 3 squared, which is 9. Then when you have a plus, if you remember your laws of logarithms, that means multiply the inside. So it'd be log a of x equal log a of 45, 9 times 5. And hey, that means x equals 45. So I got to get this to 1 log. So I get log base b of x plus 3 equals, subtraction means you divide the inside. So this would be log base b of 4, 8 divided by 2. So x plus 3 has to equal 4, so x equals 1. So, now it's on this side has 2 logs. So I'll combine it. Subtraction means divide. So I'd have log a of x over x minus 5 equals log a of 6. So x over x minus 5 equals 6. Now, you should have done this before. We're actually going to do proportions after Easter because most people do pretty good with it. So you end the year with some nice scores. But anyways, you cross multiply. So it'd be x times 1 is x. 6 times x minus 5 is 6x minus 30. So subtract 6x. Divide by negative 5. So x equals 6. Now, when I only have one logarithm, not on both sides, but just one of them, you rewrite it as an exponential. 2 to the 4th equals x squared minus 9. So 16 equals x squared minus 9. Add 9. Square root both sides, so x equals plus or minus 5. Now, notice I'm squaring both numbers, so therefore I can use both numbers. Negative 5 squared is 25, minus 9 is 16. It still works out. Life is good. So anyways, I'm going to quickly talk about one topic, and that is E. There's a number out there called E, which is 2.7, and it goes on forever. You don't need to remember that, but it occurs in nature. So you'll see it a little bit in upper level science classes, especially biology. Now, they use this as a logarithmic base sometimes. So log base E is sometimes used, but if you look on your calculator, there is no log base E. But of course, in math, we don't want to write 4 things, so they want to simplify it. They go LN, and that stands for the natural logarithm. That's an A. So it occurs in nature, so they use it sometimes. So you have a choice when you're using a calculator to use the natural logarithm, ln, or to use log base 10, which we just write log because it's used so much. So if I said what's 2 to the x equals 40, well, you could solve it going log 2 to the x equals 40, log of 40, log of 40. Then you bring the x out. Then divide by log 2. Or you could do ln. It works the exact same way. Let's do this again. 2 to the x equals 40. I could do ln of both sides. So it'd be x ln of 2 equals ln of 40. Divide by ln of 2, and you should get the same answer. Now, if I said, what's the ln? Good land, what's wrong with me? If I say ln of e to the 6, well, that'd be the same as log base e of e to the 6. Now, if you remember, we said if the base of the log is the same as what you're taking the log of, then the power is the answer. Or you could set it equal to x and say e to the x equals e to the 6. So x equals 6. So if I said ln e to the 10, what is the answer, my friend? 10. Because log base e of e to the 10 equals x. So e to the x equals e to the 10. X equals 10. One last one. What's ln e to the 50? That'd be 50. Yay! Hey, I'm going to make a video on what's on the quiz next. Have a good day.